these are some of my favorite trails to go out to. There's really never anyone around. As you can see, I'm just kind of out here by myself enjoying the area, but it's also where you find the best powder as well. Right now it's probably about 2, maybe 2.5 feet in some spots, waiting for a little bit of more snow to come in, but these trails are awesome. This trip, I'm actually out in Angel Fire, New Mexico. I've been snowboarding since I was about 12 years old and used to go with my uncle on yearly trips over to Park City over there in Utah. It was a lot of fun, and that's where I think my passion just really grew for snowboarding. Something that I just really enjoy, being out on the powder like this here and being able to have that feeling of floating. There's not much else where you get that same type of feeling and that same type of freedom. I enjoy working on the cars and going fast in them and going through the tracks, but none of that really compares to being out on the snow and taking a hard turn or bombing a hill. Subaru is pretty dirty right now. Now, I did try to make it up this driveway. I got kind of close, but kept on bottoming out, so I had to get it plowed last night. And as you can see, let me walk over here. Yeah, this is taller than I am. You're just about the same height, so just about 6 feet. This is our little cabin that I stay at here in Angel Fire, New Mexico. It's where I come up on my trips. Subaru's been pretty good. As you could probably tell, I put the Blizzak WS80 tires on it, on the stock wheels. They've held really good, about 5 or 6 seasons now. And the cargo box on top has been really good with just being able to throw the snowboard in. I've really liked it. But just want to give you guys a little bit of an update of what I've been doing. Up here about a week, been snowboarding each day, got about 4 more to go now. So really looking forward to this trip, and hope you guys really like this edit that I got going on. So I'm wrapping it up here today. I'm going to be heading out tomorrow morning. It was a really good trip. Today I was able to do some of the big jumps. And not sure if you'd seen a video I did last year. Was the first year that I had actually done them. So went back out today, but it was cut a little short due to a broken toe strap on my binding. And the shops around here didn't have a replacement, so figured it may have been best being the last day just to take it easy, go back to the house, relax, and get ready for the drive back tomorrow. Hope you guys enjoyed this edit that I made, and as always, happy driving and enjoy.